Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Sound View Greenport. It's a 3-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are pet-friendly, bar, beachfront and a private beach area. Sound View Greenport set on the North Fork in Greenport, 98 miles from New York City. Sound View Greenport features a seasonal outdoor pool and views of the Long Island Sound. Guests can enjoy a drink at the bar. All the rooms at Sound View are waterfront. Some units include a seating area where you can relax. The rooms have a private bathroom fitted with a bath or shower. For your comfort, you will find free toiletries and a hair dryer. There is a shared lounge at the property. There is a private beach area and bike hire is available. You can play tennis at the property. Montauk is 24 miles from Sound View Greenport, while East Hampton is 14 miles away. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.